This is an emergency alert from Channel 4. This is not a drill. A nuclear attack from the Russian Federation has been detected. Strikes will hit the United Kingdom in 5 to 10 minutes. You need to seek shelter in the lowest, most central area of your household immediately. Do not leave your place of shelter for a minimum of 14 days after the attack. Nuclear explosions cause very bright light and heat. Do not look or face a nuclear blast, you will suffer severe injuries or death. After a nuclear explosion, a radioactive dust known as fallout spreads across hundreds of miles and is very dangerous. If you breathe fallout in, you will die. In your place of shelter you need to bring the following essential supplies: bottled water, non-perishable or canned foods, medicines, batteries, a hand crank or battery-powered radio, and anything else you deem necessary for you to take with you to your shelter. Close all windows, doors, or entrances in your home. Please stay tuned to this channel for more information as it comes in. We can now confirm the trajectories of the strikes. The following cities are targets for nuclear attacks: London, Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham, Cardiff, Newcastle, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Sheffield, Leeds, Bristol, Belfast, and Nottingham. I repeat, we can now confirm the trajectories of the strikes. The following cities are targets for nuclear attacks: London, Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham, Cardiff, Newcastle, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Sheffield, Leeds, Bristol, Belfast, and Nottingham. More strikes have been launched from the Russian Federation. It is highly likely that no city in the country is safe. You need to seek shelter now. 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 Seek shelter.